Yingli Tech Visual Inspection Solution. Intelligent anti-loosening inspection solution for rail transit bogie bolts. Synergy of machine vision technology and industrial robots for automated detection. Precise identification of bolt loosening status, replacing manual visual inspection. Real-time data capture and storage for full process traceability. Stable high accuracy with automatic alarm for abnormal bolt status. Enhance inspection efficiency and reliability, safeguard rail transit equipment safety. From Yingli Tech, trustworthy.